What is Squarespace? Squarespace, in the most basic terms, a website building platform. Squarespace has built a reputation on being on a one system that easy to use. Squarespace is well known for its design, quality, templates, and modern features. So, in this video, we will know who is Squarespace good for and what about the WordPress, which is the better. There is no overall better. There is however better depending on your specific needs and organization type. Small business and creative professionals love Squarespace. This is because for your average small business owner or creative professionals, they are not being backed by a full-time IT department. Squarespace is in the one system, so Squarespace team take care of all security updates, changing back-end system to update to current function and SEO best practices. You don't need to do a thing, not to mention once you have gotten a good grip on how adding and moving around Squarespace blocks works. More on blocks below. You can create a new page and update information on a current page in minutes. Next I will show you around the back end Squarespace. You can get a feed for what using system is. Once you log in, you will be brought to your home with the menu option on the left hand side in the back, and you don't see a bunch of code, but instead you see the site almost exactly how your viewers see it. By clicking in the top of the page, you will be shown three icons: your phone, tablet, and this desktop. Clicking on this icon, the page content to display how a page look like on that device. So you don't need to put your phone on tablet to check things look good on those devices too. Next, we will walk through the menu option on the left. All your website statistics, live health of course in the analytics tab. You can view your website visitor and page views by day, week and month. You can also view where your traffic is coming from. Example, Google, Facebook, Twitter, other websites, direct etc. How many people are using your site on a mobile device or desktop. What word visitor type into your site. This tab is a great and nice quick view of your how your website stats and going and watching the traffic grow over time. In this setting, you are connect third-party programs, Google Analytics, purchase or change a domain name, add a business email address, change links, fault structure, and other things. You can also add in the custom code here if you are feeling ambitious. Okay, so now you know what all of the tabs do. I will show you what these from Squarespace blocks are.